our attention now to the big story from West Bengal, where high voltage drama was seen as Abhishek Banerjee, the TMC MP, was seen being attacked. There were many people on the streets. You can see the visuals on the screens as well. He was also seen wearing a cricket helmet to save himself. Eggs were thrown at him. He was attacked. In fact, the TMC MP has now said that it was an attempt at his life, going on to say that they wanted to kill him. Listen in. All right, before we play out that reaction, let me go across to my colleague Rajesh Saha joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Rajesh, Abhishek Banerjee has claimed that this was an attempt to kill him. And these are very dramatic visuals that have come in from West Bengal. He's seen wearing a cricket helmet, and there can be people who can be seen in these visuals pushing, pulling, with eggs also being thrown at him. Take us through where this attack took place. What are the details?
Absolutely. This is such a dramatic visual. When TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee went to Sonarpur in South 24 Pargana district to visit the family of a post-war violence victim. When Abhishek Banerjee reaches over there, some people suddenly surrounded Abhishek Banerjee and started Chocho slogan. Chocho slogans were being given on behalf of the agitating people targeting Abhishek Banerjee. But situation suddenly escalated and it became more heated as soon as Abhishek Banerjee was trying to entering the house of the post-war violence victim. And when Abhishek Banerjee was traveling on the bike, suddenly some people pelted eggs, shoes, bottles and stones targeting Abhishek Banerjee. He was badly manhandled and assaulted by the people. Abhishek Banerjee has alleged that the entire protest was conducted by BJP people, but BJP has already denied all the allegations. State BJP President Shamik Bhattacharya has criticized and condemned the attack. He has said that this is not acceptable in a healthy democracy. But Abhishek Banerjee has targeted BJP for this entire attack. He was badly assaulted and manhandled by the agitating people. But there was no police personnel deployed at the scene as per the allegation of Abhishek Banerjee. When he was trying to enter the home, he was hit by someone. We can clearly see in the visual that someone is hitting on the head of Abhishek Banerjee. That time he was wearing a helmet. He was wearing a cricket helmet. That time the security personnel made him wear helmet when the situation escalated and it turned violent. Abhishek Banerjee has alleged that BJP workers started this protest and this was an attempt to kill him. Abhishek Banerjee has also claimed that he will grab the attention of Honorable Governor of West Bengal as well as the Kolkata High Court. He will approach before the Kolkata High Court regarding this incident. He will move to court soon. And soon after this incident, several leaders have already criticized and condemned this attack, like Akhilesh Yadav, SP leader, and several leaders from Congress and Trinamool Congress.
Reactions have been coming in. Rajesh, my apologies. I request you to stay with us. I just want to bring in Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP also into this conversation. Mr. Pradeep Bhandari, the TMC is raising questions. Where are the police officials? This is an elected MP, the TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee, being attacked out in the open with no security cover for him. He has claimed that this was an attempt to kill him.
Well, at the outset, with the video which is shown on Times Now and which I am looking at as I'm speaking to you, prima facie, this looks as if the people of Bengal has expressed their anger against Abhishek Banerjee. Leave that as it is. Nobody has the right to take the law in their own hand, and there will be an investigation to find out whether it is the TMC supporters who are expressing their anger against Abhishek by taking the law in their own hand, or whether it was individuals that Abhishek Banerjee had threatened right throughout the campaign. Now, coming on the security part, please note that it is the security personnel who ensured that the Abhishek Banerjee was provided a helmet. It is the security personnel who ensured that people could not thrash and abuse Abhishek Banerjee beyond the limit. And it is the security personnel who rescued Abhishek Banerjee. So he should rather thank the security personnel for rescuing Abhishek from facing massive anger of the people of Bengal. If he has certain facts and evidences with him where he believes that it is pre-planned, then he should submit it to the police station. The police will carry out a necessary necessary investigation. Unlike in TMC, where investigation was not carried out when attack was against the BJP leaders, people of Bengal have not forgotten how, whether it is Khagan Murmu or Honorable ex-President JP Nadda, it were TMC people on camera.
No, but the BJP did promise change, and they said that you can be fear-free in Bengal. But you're looking at the visuals where an elected MP is being heckled and attacked out in the open.
Well, as you are rightly saying, that this is an elected MP who is heckled, abused and attacked. And it is happening despite he giving